The walls of Jericho are falling on us students, and we're not about to rest anytime soon. If you're done writing, big ups to you, you're lucky.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. 'Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up? When I'm tryna build it up. I wish I could make you stop. 'Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, hi, my name is Glenda and you're definitely welcome. If you're a returning viewer or a returning subby, thank you so much for tuning back in, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So today it's a Sunday, and I came back from church a few hours ago, like 2 hours ago. I did my laundry, and then now I'm about to go have a meeting with Devi. Devi's the outgoing chairperson and I'm the incoming. So we're gonna fix a couple of things so that people can get paid for this year. And then depending on what time we finish, I'm gonna go to the evening service again. But if we don't finish on time, because I need to be at the bus stop by 5:20, so if we're not done, because now it's 3, so if we're not done by then I'll just watch the evening service online anyways, because I went to the morning one, so there's no need for me to go there in person again. But I really do want to go. I prefer going to both services. And then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna fold the laundry. There's still another load in the washing machine, no, in the dryer. I'm gonna leave it to dry, and then when I come back after everything, I'll just see what happens, and then I'm gonna fold my clothes. And there's a lot of studying that needs to be done. The walls of Jericho are falling. The walls of Jericho are falling on us students, and we're not about to rest anytime soon. If you're done writing, big ups to you, you're lucky. But yeah guys, let's go.
When I dance alone, I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
When I go with confidence, when I go live it, roll our hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Roll back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam jam that season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every sign. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every sign. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every sign. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like your ice in every sign. Shining like your ice in every sign. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places.
Okay guys, so today is the following day and we just got load shed. It's around, what time is it? It's around 4 and we just got hit by load shedding. And I know I definitely don't want to go to campus because just the air on campus, man, it's just so depressing. So okay, before we go into that, I just want to show you guys the Sleepy. It's by Catrice. It's the Hydra Lip Plumber. It's super good, as you guys can see, like it's almost finished. Okay, so what I was saying is we don't have electricity and I don't want to go to campus. I need the Wi-Fi, I need lights. As you guys can see, it's dark in here, so I can't study in here anymore. So I'm going to go with Pearl to Spur. We're gonna go to Spur. So Spur on weekdays closes at 10. So I think we're gonna be there up until that time. I don't know, but that's where we're going. And also I want to show you guys today I'm taking a school bag after a very long time, and that is because I can't carry all of these things in here on my shoulders in my beautiful bag. I need to save that bag. So yeah guys, we're gonna go to Spur, and I think I'm gonna buy a few things because I want to relax my hair again. I want to retouch a relaxer on my hair, and then I want to dye my hair for the event that's happening this Saturday. It's the Clicks beauty playground event, and obviously you guys see that I always have something on my head. It's because the lady who did the lines on me, she did her own thing. It was actually two ladies. They did their own thing on my hair. So, but it's fine. And one thing I know is I don't want to be wearing a wig because it's probably going to be so hot. So I'm going to have my natural hair on. So, yeah, guys, we're just going to go study at Spur. It's Monday today. It's Waffle Monday. We're gonna have 20 rand waffles, probably have coffee, probably eat dinner there even. But we'll just see with time. But for now, let us go there. I'm not going to campus. Campus is just so depressing. You get into the library and there's just so much silence. You can see the frustration in people's eyes, and it's not good for me. Okay, guys, so I've been getting certain questions in my comment section, like not like maybe like in the past video, like just over time, and it's questions that I haven't been able to answer. And also in my DMs, there are certain uncomfortable questions that I'm being asked, and obviously like some people are asking from a genuine place, or just in like a place of interest, like they are interested in knowing. And I think I'm gonna do a Q&A, because these are really sensitive things that I feel like I want to address on behalf of, you know, people who are in the same shoes as me. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a poll. I'm gonna do a poll on Instagram, and then like I'm going to do a sit down, most probably a sit down mukbang question whatsoever. But if it's not a mukbang, it's also okay. But I'm gonna do a sit down Q&A, and then I'm gonna answer anything that you want me to answer. And then if I can't, I'll also explain to you guys why. But in the meantime, please go to follow me on Instagram so that you don't miss the poll. And yeah, I'll answer those questions. And if you have any more questions, you guys can just drop them there on Instagram, and then I'll be glad to answer you guys. But for now, I need to go. Oh, guys, let's go back. Oh no, I didn't show you guys my outfit. Let me quickly show you guys my outfit. Okay, so I'm wearing this JT bucket hat because my hair is a mess, and I'm wearing this what's this, the red bat whatsoever shirt, t-shirt or shirt, I don't know the difference. And then I'm wearing these Zara pants, and obviously I'm wearing, I hope you guys can see, I'm wearing flip-flops. That is because like it's a really chilled study session, nothing hectic. And then yeah guys, I'll see you guys at Spur.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow.
Okay guys, so there's one thing about me, I enjoy the music that I play for you guys here. Like, I love the music so much, and I hope that you guys also enjoy the music because I pay for it. So yeah guys, so we're back. It's about, I want to show you guys the time. So it's 24 minutes to 12, and we came back about 30 minutes ago. And all this time I've just been going through everything that I did today, and yeah, just making sure that I can recall most of the things. And yeah, I'm really not satisfied with how much I did today, but like, I did as much as I could. And yeah, the brain is tired now, so I'm gonna sleep now. And this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a study like video, but yeah, the purpose of the video is actually for other people who are writing or who need motivation to study, that you're not alone in the boat. There's actually so many of us, and I feel like it's okay to be busy, rather than just being busy and disappearing on you guys. So I'd rather like be busy with you guys. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you subscribe, and you turn on the notification bell to know every time I upload. And I'll see you all guys in my next video.